Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering self-assessment tax returns for the self-employed. In this video, we will explore the essential aspects of calculating and filing your taxes efficiently. Whether you're new to self-employment or looking to refine your tax knowledge, this guide is for you. We'll cover everything from allowable business expenses to ethical considerations in tax work. Let's dive in and simplify the complex world of self-assessment taxes. Understanding the nature of self-assessment is crucial for effective tax management. Self-assessment helps report income and pay taxes accurately. This system allows for claiming business expenses, reducing taxable profits. Let's explore what makes business expenses allowable for tax purposes. Allowable business expenses are costs that can be deducted from your trading income to calculate taxable profits. These expenses must be incurred wholly and exclusively for business purposes. Examples include office supplies, travel expenses, and advertising costs. Understanding which expenses are allowable helps in reducing your tax liability. Let's look at some examples to clarify this concept.
Pre-trade expenses are costs incurred before starting your business and can be claimed as deductions. For instance, advertising expenses incurred before trading can be deducted from profits. These expenses must be within 7 years of starting the trade. Knowing how to handle pre-trade expenses can optimize your tax returns. Let's see how this works in practice with an example.
Revenue expenses are costs used up quickly, like office supplies, while capital expenses are for long-term assets like machinery. Revenue expenses are usually deductible, but capital expenses may qualify for capital allowances. Understanding the difference is key to accurate tax reporting. This distinction affects how expenses are treated in your accounts. Let's dive deeper into these categories. Understanding disallowable expenses prevents errors in your tax return. It's important to adjust your accounts to exclude these from your tax calculations. Not all expenses are allowable for tax purposes. Some are disallowable. These can include personal expenses or mixed-use costs. Let's explore common disallowable expenses and how to handle them. Calculating taxable amounts involves understanding your total income and allowable deductions. This process requires careful record-keeping and knowledge of tax rules. By accurately determining taxable amounts, you ensure compliance and avoid penalties. Let's discuss how to calculate your taxable income effectively. This is a critical step in the self-assessment process.
Filing self-assessment tax returns involves gathering all necessary financial information. You'll need to report income, expenses, and calculate the tax due. The process can be complex, but with the right guidance, it becomes manageable. Let's walk through the steps to complete your tax return accurately. This ensures compliance and peace of mind.
The UK government provides resources to help with tax filing, including forms and guidance. Accessing these resources can simplify the self-assessment process. The official website offers tools and information crucial for accurate filing. Utilizing these resources ensures you have the latest tax information. Let's explore how to navigate these government resources effectively.
Ethical issues can arise during tax preparation, such as underreporting income or misclassifying expenses. It's crucial to adhere to ethical standards to maintain integrity. Accountants and self-employed individuals must navigate these challenges carefully. Understanding ethical considerations helps prevent legal issues. Let's discuss common ethical dilemmas in tax work.
Let's examine a case study involving a self-employed electrician named Brian. Brian deducted pre-trade advertising costs from his initial profits. This example illustrates how understanding tax rules can benefit self-employed individuals. Let's see how Brian managed his tax obligations effectively. If your business turnover exceeds the annual VAT threshold, you must register for VAT. This involves charging VAT on your services and submitting VAT returns. Failing to register can lead to penalties and compliance issues. Understanding VAT obligations is essential for businesses with higher turnovers. Let's explore the steps for VAT registration and compliance.
Mixed-use expenses are those used for both personal and business purposes. It's important to separate these costs to ensure accurate tax reporting. This involves calculating the business portion of the expense. Proper adjustments prevent overstatement of deductions. Let's discuss how to handle mixed-use expenses effectively.
Maintaining accurate records is crucial for self-assessment tax returns. This includes keeping receipts, invoices, and financial statements. Good record-keeping ensures you can substantiate your claims. It also simplifies the tax filing process. Let's explore best practices for maintaining records for tax purposes.
Capital allowances allow you to deduct the cost of certain assets from your taxable profits. This can include machinery, equipment, and vehicles. Understanding how to claim capital allowances can reduce your tax liability. It's an important aspect of managing business finances. Let's delve into how capital allowances work.
Consider a scenario involving a painter and decorator who exceeded the VAT threshold. This oversight required immediate action to register for VAT. It's a reminder of the importance of monitoring business turnover. Proper attention to financial details can prevent compliance issues. Let's see how this scenario unfolds and the lessons learned. Filing taxes online offers convenience and efficiency for self-employed individuals. The process is faster and often more accurate than paper filing. Online systems provide immediate confirmation of submission. This reduces the risk of errors and late filings. Let's explore the benefits of online tax filing in detail.
Errors in tax returns can lead to penalties and increased scrutiny. Common mistakes include incorrect calculations and missing information. Awareness of these pitfalls helps in preparing accurate returns. Let's discuss how to avoid common errors in your tax filings. This ensures compliance and reduces stress during tax season.
Seeking professional tax advice can provide clarity and confidence in tax matters. Experts can help navigate complex tax rules and optimize your returns. They offer insights into deductions and compliance requirements. This support is invaluable for self-employed individuals. Let's explore the advantages of consulting with tax professionals.
Tax software can streamline the filing process by automating calculations and form submissions. These tools reduce the likelihood of errors and save time. They are especially beneficial for those unfamiliar with tax rules. Let's look at how tax software can simplify your self-assessment process. This technology is a game changer for many self-employed individuals.
Tax laws and rates can change, affecting your tax obligations. Staying informed about these changes is crucial for compliance. Understanding the impact of tax changes helps in planning and budgeting. Let's discuss recent tax changes and their implications for the self-employed. This knowledge is essential for effective tax management. Preparation is key to a stress-free tax season. This involves organizing documents and understanding deadlines. Being proactive reduces last-minute stress and errors. Let's explore strategies for preparing for tax season effectively. This ensures a smooth and efficient filing process.
Before submitting your tax return, it's important to review it for accuracy. This includes checking calculations and ensuring all information is complete. A thorough review can prevent costly mistakes and penalties. Let's discuss the steps for reviewing your tax return. This final check is crucial for a successful filing. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering self-assessment tax returns. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights and confidence in managing your taxes. Stay informed and proactive in your tax affairs. We wish you success and ease in your self-employment journey. Until next time, happy filing.